With hundreds of employees, lcsign has developed and manufactured sign solutions and mission-critical applications worldwide. What separates lcsign from others, I think, is the standard we persist. Customers choose us just for simple reasons: our quality, commitment, and innovation. Today, thousands of customers around the globe depend on lcsign. We have 14 years of experiences. lcsign can help customers at every phase of their sign needs. We offer installation guidance, always trying the best to support every customer. In fact, the relationship we build with our customers often go beyond the life cycle of their projects. Relationship with every customer made us what we are now. We apply our rigorous quality to every part of our supply chain, confirming all components meet our high standard and customers' needs. Make customers feel satisfied is our goal. Solve avoidable problems at the beginning. Prevent substandard components from being shipped to our customers. That is why our complaint rate is under 2%. We ensure that the usage and installation, even the maintenance tips, are accurately communicated to the customers. To realize this, we regularly provide product knowledge training to the sales team so that they can become more professional. We're committed to bring long-term value to our customers, not just for a few days. Though we faced many risks these years, we solved them one by one eventually. Actually, making a new change is not easy, but we believe only when we change, we can go far and be better in the future. With lcsign, you can not only get a good sign, but can also save a little money. Previously, a customer told our sales that he spent $10,000 to buy a sign locally, but problems come quickly. So he found us. We gave him the half price, and the using experience is still good. We often receive positive feedback from customers, some praising the product quality and some praising the customer service. Besides, the problem they found are also precious to us. Get problems in time, we can improve quickly. Get good feedback, we can know what we should exist. Many of our breakthroughs have come as a result of listening to our customers and taking the time to understand their needs. We're even more excited about the future. In the future, we'll continue to level up the criteria just as we insist these years.